Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm unboxing the brand new Glossybox. So this is the April 2025 box and I haven't even peeked inside yet, so we're doing it together. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so this month we've got the classic pink Glossybox, so let's open her up. I gave you just a little sneak peek there. Okay, I'm gonna open things in no particular order, but I can't resist starting with this. So first up, we have a little bottle of Molton Brown. This is the Fiery Pink Pepper Bath and Shower Gel. I love Molton Brown, I'm such a fan. Oh, it's so good. I love this fragrance. I've been using it for years. It's just so pretty and also feisty. And I'll definitely be using this one in the bath rather than the shower. I don't know if anybody's interested, but I tend to use these little ones for the bath rather than the shower, mainly because I find them quite fiddly for when I'm in the shower, whereas when I'm in the bath, I don't know, they just seem a bit more convenient. Anyway, that's the first item and I love, love, love this, so I'm thrilled with that. And next up we have this. I actually have no idea what it is. Okay, I had a look and there is no English translation, but I managed to get the words exfoliant and facial. So I guess it's a face exfoliator. I don't actually know this brand, but I will give it a go, and if it's amazing, I'll report back. Ooh, next up we have a perfume. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it, but I think it's by Sentia. And if I remember rightly, we've had one of these in the past. This one's called Nor Riviera. Let's give it a spray. Ooh, okay, it's actually quite pretty. It kind of took me by surprise at first, but it's actually quite pretty. It's kind of sweet, powdery, and aquatic. Yeah, quite blossomy, watery, and yeah, quite sweet. I don't hate it. So that is the next item, and it's always nice to get perfume in these boxes because, you know, perfumes are a lot, so it feels like you're getting a real treat. Next up we have a mascara. This is by Sophia and Marbelle. I've not tried this mascara before, but I'll give it a go. I'll see how it works on my tiny, tiny lashes. And then the final item, this is a little tube of Dr. Pawpaw, and this is their multi-purpose lip balm with an SPF of 30. And that, my friends, is the entire box. So I think by far my favourite item this month is the Molton Brown. I would call it a good box, like it's nice to get perfume, the Molton Brown's amazing. I'm always going to use lip balm and mascara and also face scrub. So yeah, I'd say it's a good solid box this month. So what do you think? What are your thoughts on it? Let me know, and yeah, I'll see you again soon. Goodbye!